Voting systems. UK national and local elections in Wales give you a say in who represents you. But to make sure your voice is heard, it's good to understand a few basics about how elections work. At each election, every voter is given a ballot paper. This ballot paper lists all the candidates, which is what we call people standing for election. This ballot paper also provides simple instructions on how to clearly mark your choice. You'll get to make your choice in secret, and then your ballot paper will be counted to work out who has been elected. Voting systems affect how candidates are elected and set out the rules for how your vote is counted. Closed proportional list system. In Senedd elections, we use a voting system called a closed proportional list system to elect members of the Senedd. This system is a form of proportional representation. Proportional representation means the number of candidates elected for each political party roughly matches the number of votes received. In this voting system, you can vote for a political party or for an independent candidate. A political party is a group of people who share similar ideas about how a country should be run and work together to achieve their aims. An independent candidate is someone who runs for election without being part of a political party. Each party has a list of people they want to get elected, and that list is in priority order with the candidate they most want to get elected at the top. The people at the top of the list are elected first. The more votes a party or independent candidate gets, the more seats they will win. Your local area is called a constituency. Each constituency is represented by 6 members of the Senedd, or MS for short. When voting in a Senedd election, you choose the political party or independent candidate you want to represent your constituency in the Senedd. You will have a single vote and will be given one ballot paper. Simply put an X in the box next to your choice of political party or independent candidate. Make sure you read the instructions on your ballot paper and ask the team at the polling station if you need help. The ballot paper will still show the list of candidates for each political party. But remember, you are voting for a political party or an independent candidate, rather than specific candidates on a party's list. The ballot papers are then counted to work out who's been elected. For example, if you live in Aberystwyth, your Senedd constituency is Ceredigion Penfro. If political party A gets 50% of the votes in your constituency, they will likely get 3 of the 6 seats. If political party B gets 30%, they will likely get 2 of the 6 seats. Then if an independent candidate has enough votes, they will win the final seat. These 6 candidates become the MSs that represent the Ceredigion Penfro constituency in the Senedd. This means seats in the Senedd will be decided based on the share of votes each party receives. Find out more at electoralcommission.org.uk/learning.